and I'm trying to just see what you guys know about financial literacy. It's going to be super quick.
I'm coming to learn more about how to balance my money. I'm pretty good at making it, but I'm not really good at keeping it around.
I do want to learn about financial freedom and how to gain that as a Black person.
I just came here tonight to learn a little bit more about how we create generational wealth.
Please be vulnerable, be open. I wish I had this event so I could tap into someone's thing. Good.
I learned what a 704J plan was. I learned that budgeting isn't just about what your expenses are, but also about planning for happiness and your experiences.
Shouldn't be saving. Earlier I said I wanted to learn more about saving, and now I'm learning that saving isn't as beneficial as I thought.
Definitely learned a lot in regards to financing, money, and just building that generation wealth and why it's important. So I'm really good for this event and looking forward to the next one.